Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use a Bitcoin wallet. First, understand that a Bitcoin wallet is essential for managing your cryptocurrency. It's not just a place to store coins, it securely holds the private keys that prove your ownership. We'll cover the basics of setting up and using different wallet types, ensuring you can confidently send and receive Bitcoin. Let's dive into the fundamentals. Setting up your Bitcoin wallet is the first crucial step. Begin by selecting a wallet type, such as a mobile app, desktop software, or a hardware device based on your security preferences. Once chosen, download and install it from a trusted source. During setup, you'll create a robust password and, most importantly, back up your seed phrase. This phrase is your ultimate recovery key, so keep it safe and offline. Now, let's talk about sending and receiving Bitcoin. To receive funds, simply provide your public wallet address to the sender. This address is like your bank account number for Bitcoin. When sending Bitcoin, you'll need the recipient's public address and the amount you wish to transfer. It's vital to always double-check the address before confirming any transaction, as Bitcoin transfers are irreversible. Be careful and confirm every detail. Maintaining your Bitcoin wallet's security is paramount. Always enable two-factor authentication wherever possible to add an extra layer of protection against unauthorized access. Regularly update your wallet software to benefit from the latest security patches and features. Remember, your vigilance is your best defense in the crypto world. Also, for a fresh car, check out the Little Trees Black Ice link and other deals in the description below. Stay safe and secure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.